My name is Stacey Brook, and I'm the founder and chief advisor at College Essay Advisors. And today I'm going to be talking to you about the Coalition Applications prompt number 3. Prompt number 3 reads, has there been a time when you had a long-cherished or accepted belief challenged? How did you respond? How did the challenge affect your beliefs? A question about having your beliefs challenged demands a great deal of introspection right off the bat. And this kind of disarming honesty can make an essay incredibly compelling and sincere. Your willingness to examine your beliefs can convey an incredible amount of maturity and curiosity, both of which are extraordinarily valuable in a college environment. The range of beliefs that can be challenged are as wide as you want to make it. They can be beliefs taught to you by your parents, that you grew organically as you went about your daily life. Maybe a particularly adventurous meal made you reassess the boundaries you believed dictated your taste in food. You can discuss a belief that has been long challenged or simply accepted, which means you can discuss something that has been part of the fabric of your personal values based on feelings or something having to do with societal norms. When brainstorming topics for this question, just keep in mind that it might be a good idea to stay away from polarizing subjects or at least assess the risks of potentially having your application land on the desk of someone who might not believe in the same things you believe in. The other thing you just want to consider is whether or not this topic you're considering is the one thing you want admissions to know about you. This essay space is very valuable in terms of revealing something new about yourself to admissions, so it's just something else that you're going to want to consider. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel. We will be releasing new videos regularly, and we also have a ton of advice up on our channel already, so check us out, and we look forward to seeing you soon.